Okay, hi folks, and welcome to Phillip Island. So today we are on the western tip of Phillip Island at a place called Point Grant. This is an ecotourism destination because there's an interpretive centre here called the Nobbies Centre, and it's on a magnificent headland. We've got panoramic sort of coastal views. There's a great boardwalk network to walk along, and we're going to basically be looking at the Blowhole, Seal Rocks, and the Nobbies, which is kind of a kilometre offshore. So this place here is all habitat of fur seals, of penguins, of seagulls, and we've got a real rich environment that we can explore and look at today. Interestingly, there's a lot of biotic and abiotic factors at play. So biotic factors are living factors. So we've got kelp and seaweed growing in the rocky foreshores. We've got different types of mussels and crustaceans that are living in amongst the floor bed. We've got schools of fish offshore. Because the island is kind of hard to get to, it's also sort of free from predation, and it's estimated that the Australian fur seal population has its biggest colony here with about 16,000. Then if we want to just sort of quickly talk about abiotic factors, you know, we've got the exposed rocky shore, we've got rock slabs, we've got, gravel ground, we've got sort of kelp forests, we've got shallow pools, we've got some warm rocks, but they can be affected by, like weather of high winds and big seas and quite atrocious conditions. So today specifically I want to talk about the fur seals, and they are basically the top predators here, and how would we go about actually estimating the population that's here. So the best way to do that would be by a topographic photo using a drone or an unmanned helicopter to actually maybe daily or twice daily go around and take photos of the whole area. So the techniques and equipment that we do, we'd need sort of a drone. We'd then get the drone high up above the colony. We'd take lots of pictures, and then we'd put them all together into a collage or a mosaic of the whole area. Then we'd break that down into little quadrants that would then get people to to start counting. So to start with, we need to collect the data, then we need to combine the pictures, then count, and then analyse. There's a fair bit of work in that. There are some challenges with this rocky shore. Like I noticed that there's some rock shelves that are undercut, so seals could be hiding under there. Some days the weather might not be suitable to actually fly a drone. We can't see into the water as well with our topographic pictures. We can really only see the seals when they're on the land, and different seals may feed at different times of the day. So do we always try to do our sampling photos in the afternoon or in the morning, or vice versa, or try to do it a couple of times a day? So as you can see, some difficulty in estimating populations due to sort of the access, due to the weather, the big seas and where we are, but hopefully that's a nice little insight into the area.